Now I literally gotta start this all over because I didn't even have the mic on. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Back with another video, and great news for y'all. It's raining outside. Not exactly the best news for me, but you know, people who really like rain, that may be good news, or you know, good news for you. But anyway, just want to say what's up, and this is the end of the video. I'm just playing. It's not the end of the video, but I had an idea and what this video is actually about, not what I had planned on doing tonight. Since we're here, it's raining outside, I thought it'd be pretty cool to do something like that. I'm making a music video, not music video. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm making kind of music video, kind of like a music video, but a dance video outside in the rain. Do I even have my hat on right? Yeah, I think I do. Okay, yeah, I'm making a dance video outside in the rain, and you know, it's just something we gotta do. It's something you gotta do, cause you know, what are you gonna do if you don't do nothing? Like nowadays, I'm gonna try. I'm talking about lipstick, right? Nowadays, I'm gonna try and start making videos during like the weekend, contemplating on how to put more videos out. I decided like, hey, I'm gonna make videos like during the weekend, like maybe even on days like this. We were saying in the last video that, you know what, we're gonna sled on the storm, but we're not doing that today. We're actually doing this right here, but it'd be like that sometimes. I don't know how it be, but it'd be like that sometimes. I'm apologize in advance, cause you know, I really don't dance in shoes that look like this, you know, highest quality. And look at the shoe, look at the shoes real quick. I just want y'all to examine that beautification right here. I'm stalling, probably be correct because I actually am. So first of all, I thought it'd like be pouring out here, like pouring rain. It's not pouring rain, but it still did rain. Looks like something died over here. That dead animal. You okay, guys? Are you okay? Are you alive? Are you breathing? Gotta give him CPR. Got somebody. I gotta give him a CPR. If somebody sees me just running out here for no reason inside the house, they're just gonna think I'm 100% stupid. I wanna move this table though, so y'all wanna help me out? You know what? Instead of that, maybe we can use this bench over here. Like this may actually work. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I feel like I'm using too much camera time. I'll make a quick dance music video. We need to get on with our lives, because ain't nobody want to hear me talk all day. God knows that. What's up, what's up? Back with y'all one last time. I did all of it. That was all made, no stunt double. It only just didn't look as fresh and as clean because of these shoes right here. Yeah, they're kind of messed up now. Walmart brand, I call them Boo Boo. I mean, that's the name of the brand. Yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think. Like, let me know, like, maybe I should take up dancing or something like that. It's just something new. We usually don't do like dance videos on this channel. It's supposed to have rain. It's supposed to have rain and it didn't rain. It's supposed to be like, it's supposed to be hot. I was supposed to have this hood on. I'm not supposed to have 3 layers, but I'm supposed to have this hood on. Not supposed to be, I've been out dancing. It's supposed to have been cool, but just stuff just doesn't go as planned at all. At all, really. At all. Anyway, y'all just tell me what y'all think. Peace out. Be seeing y'all later. Boom.